I'm going to do the typinglab.com is where you just make your account, and then you start, and then I have this account. So I'm going to do the intermediate. Find it. Sometimes it's hard. So I'm going to do the first test first. I will leave as I go. Yeah, I was okay, it's not going to get what's up in there. I know you can't see this, but okay. So I'm letting my phone. Probably like 3 minutes maybe. I don't know how long it takes. I need to do it. Alright. Take typing test after every lesson to improve common row is ASDFGHIKL semicolon, but are not French users advocacy on the top row, not quirky. Type in simple words. Simple words with no caps is easy, right? Some countries use sports keyboard format how is your typing fast for you right now? Well, typing test is 3 pages. Straight line through Okay, so my speed was 23, my accuracy was 19, it took me 3 minutes and 15 seconds. I still have more to go, but